Ensure Victory as the name of your organization. Why did you choose this name?
Of things that Tenvic does as a company today, it's the mind, it's the body, and it's the skill, right? So if you look at all these three things, they essentially constitute what winning really means. So that is why Tenvic, to ensure victory.
My next question goes to you, Prakash sir. Out of all the other sports, why do you choose only badminton? What's the story behind choosing badminton?
My father used to play the sport. So I used to, as a young kid of 6-7 years old, I used to just tag along with him. Nothing else to do because there were no computers, no cell phones in those days. So I used to go along with him and just started playing. The senior players were playing, and then whenever I would get a chance between two games, I would probably get 2 minutes to hit. So I would just grab somebody's racket and get onto the court. Then that's how I developed an interest and started playing.
How do we manage our studies as well as our sports?
Sports actually helps you study better. Okay, so there is a practical advantage to physically exhausting yourself, okay, because the brain refreshes itself through that. If you continuously get stuck with your books, your efficiency actually goes down. So it's a very simple thing. I mean, you study, you play, you study, you play, you actually do well in both of them. It's as simple as that. And of course, I'm sure you have a desire and some form of dedication for that. So and you will find time for it.
It's good to be in touch with your friends on Facebook, but you allocate certain time. Like this time, I think it teaches you a lot of discipline. Yeah. And like sir rightly said, we have many students in our academy who score 90, 92, 95%, in ICSE and all that, and they're also playing at the national level. And so how do they do that? It's just focus, discipline, because they have no time for anything else. Teaches you a lot of discipline. Wake up in the morning. They have a very structured program. Actually, all of you have a lot of time, but I think you waste a lot of time by maybe watching TV, going for parties, going for movies. I'm not saying that you have to enjoy your childhood, but you prioritize. You see what is important, and if you're able to do that, I think you can do anything.